There you go. Here you go, Bessie.
What are you doing, Papa? Eating what?
Corn nuts.
Corn nuts. Don't drink my juice! Oh yeah, I said chill. Okay, give me. That's my
I'm
hand.
thirsty.
Good job. What are you doing, Nana?
In the corner. Good. I'm crunchy.
What are you eating,
I should
Papa?
have called them crunchy nuts. Corn nuts.
What are you eating, Papa?
Corn nuts.
But Dada.
You need a gummy snack. Oh, Dad, we have to eat them. One for you, one for me. Okay.
What kind of smiley faces does that have?
Orange, yellow,
Let me see.
purple.
The face.
Happy faces.
The all happy face.
There's red, orange, yellow.
And
I think that's it.
Pink and wait, what was that? The pink, Dada? Purple?
Yeah, purple. Yeah, purple.
There's purple in there too. Okay, time's up. Okay,
Eating
eating what?
gummy snacks.
I thought you were eating corn nuts.